Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning everyone. How are you today? Semoga rekan-rekan mahasiswa kelas tutorial online dimanapun Anda berada selalu dalam keadaan sehat. Oke, baik. Today we are in third session atau minggu ini kita sudah berada di sesi ketiga kelas tutorial online for English course untuk mata kuliah bahasa Inggris. And then in this week, all the students are going to learn about informal email and business memo. So you can find out this material in module 3, which consists of 2 learning activities. So at the end of this week, all the students are expected to be able to write a simple email and also differentiate between email and memo. So please, for all the students, read the materials for this week. Let me remind you to study these materials for this week, and let me remind you also to be active in our discussion session 3 and then do your assignment 1. Jadi jangan lupa untuk mengerjakan tugas 1 pada sesi ketiga ini, kemudian segera dikumpulkan sebelum batas waktu yang telah ditetapkan. Okay, good luck for all the students and thank you.